How to get the free plan on Systeme. This is Matt, and in this video I'll walk you through exactly how to get that free plan. So first things first, I'm right here on one of the main Systeme pages, but I have an offer for you in the video description. In there you'll find my affiliate link just below this video. Once you've clicked that link, you will find yourself right here on this page where you can get that free account. So importantly, this is free forever, and even more importantly, there's no credit card required. So you're not going to have to enter billing information or anything like that. All you're going to do is put your email address in here and click here, and you will have that free account on Systeme. So what is involved in that free account? Well, I do have a pricing video that I will include in the video description where I go into everything in more detail, but let's take a quick look at pricing. I've just flipped on over to the pricing page here. You can see the different pricing plans that they have. Now, this is the free plan that I was just referring to. There is no credit card required. It is $0. It's free forever. You can access all the core features with limited usage. You get 3 funnels, 1 automation rule, 1 custom domain, and up to 2,000 contacts, perfect for testing the platform and seeing if it is for you. And then they also have the startup plan at $17, webinar at $47, and unlimited at $97. And you can see that if you flip on over to annual billing, you do get 2 months free, and yet they also offer a free migration here from a previous provider. So that's how you do it. That's how you get your free plan with Systeme. You're going to click right here. Then you are going to create your free account just by entering your email address. And there you go. So you can do it from the pricing page. You can do it from the main page. It really doesn't matter. So yeah, click my link in the video description below this video. Check out Systeme, see if it is the right tool for you, see if it's the right platform for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try. You can stick around on one of the pay plans if that's what you want to do, but there's no pressure. You can also stay on the free one forever. Like they say here, no credit card required, free forever. So give that a go, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.